So much of math is about understanding opposites, about doing something and then undoing it. The opposite, for example, of giving somebody a dog would be to take away a dog. If you wanted to reverse giving somebody an ostrich, you would take away an ostrich. Let's take a look at this guy here. I could give him a hat. That would be doing a thing, and I could undo it by taking away the hat, and then I'm left with the original thing. This idea is so fundamental to understanding things like solving equations, reducing fractions, and so many more advanced topics in math. We can look at the same guy and we can make him bigger. The opposite of that, we make him smaller. And when we do a thing and then undo it, we get back to the same position where we started out. The next worksheet you're going to do is going to have you do and undo so many things and see how it always brings you back to where you started.